Hi, I'm Mrs. Jones and this is lesson 1 of the unit called Robot Algorithms, and this lesson is looking at giving instructions. So how do we get in computers to do what we want? Have a think, how do we actually get a computer to do what we want it to do? That's right, we have to tell it what to do. So we have to program a computer to do what we want it to do, and to do that we have to give it instructions. And we have to follow instructions every day in our life. So we have to follow instructions just as computers do. So if I gave you instructions, put your hands on your heads, touch your nose, touch your shoulders, wiggle your fingers. Each one of those is an instruction that I am giving you to do. Now I can give it you one instruction at a time, say wiggle your fingers, or I could give you instructions together as a set. Wiggle your fingers, touch your nose, touch your head. On we go, touch your nose, touch your head. And so I've given you a set of instructions to follow. And each instruction needs to be really clear, so there has to be really precise of what to do. So wiggling our fingers is a precise instruction. Okay. And robots follow instructions. They have a computer inside it. And robots do what we want because they follow those instructions. They can't make any choices themselves, like you choose not to wiggle your fingers. That's you making a choice not to follow the instruction. A robot can't. It has to follow the instructions that is put into it. So how do we give a robot instructions? That's right, we program it, and on that one there you can see there's the B-bot, and they have little arrows on the top of the B-bot, and we can press those arrows to tell our robot where to go forward, to turn right, to go backwards, turn left. And obviously we have that go in the middle to actually get it to go. So we have to tell it to do what we want it to do through our instructions in a program. So you've got a choice of 2 activities today, and this one you might have seen before is Twister, and you're going to set up these circles or toys or anything that could be done in the same way, and you're going to give instructions to someone who's pretending to be a robot, and that could be right hand on red, left foot on blue, left hand on yellow. And you can give those instructions one at a time, so giving them that precise instruction in one at a time, or you can set of instructions together, so giving them more than one instruction to follow together. So that's the first activity. Or you could have a go at creating a dance routine and then giving the instructions to another person to do that dance routine. Remember to be precise in your instructions, and again, can you do it individual instructions one at a time, or can you give the instructions as more than one in a set? So have fun doing your activities, either on doing Twister or a dance routine, and I'll see you next lesson. Bye.